To activate overdraft with Navy Federal, start by understanding what overdraft protection is. Overdraft protection is a service that allows you to link your checking account to another account, such as a savings account, credit card, or line of credit, to transfer funds when you have insufficient funds in your checking account. First, log in to your Navy Federal online account or mobile app. If you do not have an online account, you will need to enroll in online banking before proceeding. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Account Settings or Account Management section. Next, look for the Overdraft Protection option and select it. You will be prompted to choose the account you want to link to your checking account for overdraft protection. You can choose from a savings account, credit card, or line of credit. After selecting the account, review and agree to the terms and conditions of the overdraft protection service. You may also be required to set a transfer amount, which is the amount that will be transferred from your linked account to your checking account when you have insufficient funds. It is essential to note that Navy Federal offers two types of overdraft protection: opt-in overdraft protection and courtesy pay. Opt-in overdraft protection allows you to link your checking account to another account, while courtesy pay allows Navy Federal to pay overdrafts up to a certain limit. To activate courtesy pay, you will need to opt into the service. You can do this online, by phone, or by visiting a Navy Federal branch. Once you have activated overdraft protection, it is crucial to monitor your account regularly to avoid overdrafts and ensure that you have sufficient funds in your linked account to cover any transfers. By following these steps, you can activate overdraft protection with Navy Federal and avoid declined transactions due to insufficient funds. Remember to always review and understand the terms and conditions of the overdraft protection service before enrolling.